Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your harvest time tracker, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google Calendar to your harvest time tracker? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Calendar to Harvest anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're making money online and maybe you're a freelancer, it's important to keep your schedule organized between clients. And by linking your Google Calendar, it can help make sure your schedules don't overlap. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's actually handled here in your Harvest website. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Harvest account, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link or connect your Google Calendar, it's going to be handled through integrations. So you want to click on settings here on the top right. Once you click there, you will see this drop-down menu here on the left, and you want to click here, integrations. Okay, so once you do that, you want to go ahead and just scroll down to Google Calendar. You'll see the logo right here under productivity. If you don't see that for some reason, you can use the search bar and just type in Google Calendar. All right, and it should pop up, and you just want to click on connect. Okay, next, Google's going to open up the browser and ask you which Google Calendar you want to connect with your Harvest account. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Okay, next, Google lets you know that Harvest is trying to connect to view all the events and also download a calendar. If you're okay with that, go ahead and choose the permission and then click on continue. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you're going to see this green pop-up confirming that you connected your Google Calendar to your Harvest account. And to confirm, you can go ahead and just scroll down to Google Calendar, and you can see it's in green right now. So let me scroll back to the top. Okay, now that we've integrated our Google Calendar, what we can do is we can go over here to our time tracking. Okay, once you are here in time tracking, go ahead and open up your time tracker. All right, once you open up your time tracker, when you're setting this up, you can go ahead and pull in an event from your Google Calendar, and that way it displays inside your Harvest account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Calendar to your Harvest account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.